Today, we're going to do an activity coloring robot. Yes, we'll make a robot with the help of colors. In this activity, we need a base, motor, battery cap, four colors. You can use any different type of a colors in this activity, a propeller fan, double side tape, and a 9-volt battery. Before we can proceed with this activity, let me tell you more about the different components we are going to use in this activity. One of the most important component we are going to use in this activity is called a motor. A motor is a two-terminal device. So here you can see we have two different terminals and it is a unidirectional device. It means it can rotate in two different directions, that is clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. And this part is called the shaft. With this part we can attach the propeller fan. With the two terminals, I have attached the two terminals of battery cap so that I'll give a power to my motor with the help of a battery. The red color wire is a positive terminal and the black color wire is a negative terminal. We have different type of motors, and in this activity we are going to use the DC motor, that is a direct current motor. We are using motor in different electronics appliances. For example, we are using the motors in fans, washing machine, coolers, etc. Depending upon the application or the use, we are using different type of motor. For example, in fans we have a bigger motor. In washing machine, again we have a different type of a motor. So depending upon the application, we are using different type of motors, whether it's a small motor or a bigger motor, the less power consumption motor or a more power consumption motor. So we are using the different type of motors. And we will also need a 9-volt battery. 9-volt battery. This battery is also having two terminal, positive terminal and negative terminal. One propeller fan we will use in this activity, and this propeller fan is having only three wings. We have already cut it the fourth wing because the basic principle or the science behind the coloring robot is a vibration. Yes, the same type of a vibration you have in your mobile phones. So in this activity, our robot will move in a different directions with the help of a vibration. And for vibration, we have cut it the fourth wing of this propeller fan so that this propeller fan is unsymmetric and there is a vibration will take place in this experiment or activity. And we also need one double side tape. So let's start and perform this activity. First step is to remove all the unwanted pieces like this. And next step is that we have to put all the four colors like this. So you can use any four colors in this activity. So in this way, the structure for coloring robot is almost completed. As the name is coloring robot, that's why we are using the colors in this activity. Now the next step is we have to fix the motor. So you have to fix motor like this at a downward direction. And here with the motor shaft you can attach the propeller fan. So it will go like this. Now the last step is that we have to attach the 9-volt battery in order to give the power to the motor. So we'll use one double side tape. And let's attach the 9-volt battery. And the last step is that we have to connect the battery cap with the 9-volt battery. So let me take one white paper so that my robot or a coloring robot will move on that white paper and it will make a design. So you can take any white paper. So now the last step is to connect the battery with the battery cap, and your robot will rotate in the different directions because of vibration. In this way you can see it will go in the different directions because of vibration.